Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got another unboxing, but this one is from Diamond Art Club. So, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and I hope that everybody enjoys the videos, and if you're new, thank you so much for subscribing. It means the world to me that anybody wants to watch any of my videos. So, with all that being said, let's get into this box. So, how is everybody doing today? Did anybody take advantage of the sales from Diamond Art Club? I did. That's how I got this one. Alright, now, as you can see, it's a little baby one, but it's going to be a cute one. So, alright, let me adjust my camera just a little bit. Alright, so with Diamond Art Club, on their box, they have your instructions and your kit contents. Now, this is a square because it has the blue stripe on it, plus it has the blue square. So, what did I get that was on sale, y'all? I got the rainbow little dragons. And I had to because, you know, he's cute. I've seen him. I liked it. But I don't know. It was just one that I was just like, well, it's cute. But when they put this one on sale, I snatched it. So, let's go ahead and open him up. Now, I think there's one that is a whole lot bigger than this one, but I'm okay with the small one. I'm good with it. Because I figure once I do this one, I'll probably give it to one of my grandsons anyway. Alright, let me get the sticker. Alright, so it comes with the little sticker that everybody uses to put in their logbook or on the end of their box for storage. I use mine for my logbook. Alright, and as you can see, it did not come with a new toolkit, but it has the square toolkit, which is the same as a round toolkit. The only difference is you actually get a pair of tweezers. So, they send you a wad of bags, all right? And we're going to just put everything back in here as we go. Alrighty. They send you 2 heart waxes and the single placer blue pen. They send a squishy, the 4-placer, which these are the really good ones. They send, because this is a square, they do send the sharp tweezers. And y'all, I use these things for everything. Picking off hair, off the canvas, dirt, bad drill, everything. And a white or a see-through clear tray. I've not yet been able to get the hang of actually diamond painting with the tweezers, but I do use them for a lot of other things related. Alright, so with Diamond Art Club, they have the very soft canvas. And it's got some cardboard on it. Alright, now this is poured glue. And the canvases do self-flatten, but you can roll them back on themselves. But they do self-flatten if you want to wait long enough. Alright, so like I said, he's just a little baby. He's just a little baby canvas. Alright. You get the step-by-step instructions. which has a thank you in it. It has some tips and tricks. There's your instructions, and then your thank you code that you can use to get 10% off. All right, so you get the big sticker, and he has got 48 colors. He is a 33 centimeter by 38 centimeter square, and this is a Sheena Pike. So it also has your start date and your end date. But isn't it pretty? So colorful. And that's what really drew me to this canvas when they first come out, was all the colors. But all these stickers are individual. And I just peeled that right off there, didn't I? Alright, so it looks like it also has 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all, I am just tearing this up. But it's got 4 ABs in it, it's looking like. So that's pretty cool because I didn't realize that. So that's pretty neat. And like I said, 48 colors. And then all of these are just blank stickers, but you can use them for something. All right, so let's look at the drills. But yeah, they put this canvas on sale. I think it's one of the ones that they're going to discontinue, but I'm not exactly sure because I really honestly didn't pay that much attention to it. I just seen it was on sale and grabbed it. So I am not going to go and call out all these numbers, but hopefully if my lighting is good enough, you can see what they look like. Now, here's the first AB, which is a 141, and it is white. And if you don't know what AB is, it stands for Aurora Borealis, which is like a coating that they put on the top of a drill to make it sparkle. It's got like, what is it? Like an iridescent color to it. Look, y'all, there's my favorite color, 550. My favorite color is purple, but that right there is one of my favorite DMC numbers. Okay, this one's just a little wrinkled up, but I like all 3 of those. We got 550, 38, 37, and then you've got, what is that, 208? They're all very pretty. All right, here's the second, and this is 135, which is a yellowish green. On my end, it looks yellow, more yellow. As I look through my camera, it has like a green to it, so I guess it's like a yellow green. Okay, here's another AB. This is the third AB, which is 101, which is a blue. We have another purple, a pink, some more pinks. All right, there's one strip. Okay. All right, here is the fourth AB, which is 129, which is a very pale yellow. Okay, got some greens, some blues. It's just got all kinds of colors in it. But I figure my grandkids will really like this one. There's hardly any at all in that. Okay, so I'm going to bring y'all down so y'all can look at the drill field. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 are going to be ABs. So I guess I need to show y'all. I haven't done a Diamond Art Club unboxing in a while, so all right, so at the top it says do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. And it is, they have it scalloped or whatever this is called, but it keeps it from fraying. It has your schematic on the left side and the right side. On the bottom left has a thumbnail. It tells you there it has an AB. It's called Rainbow Little Dragons. It has your dimensions. The artist is Sheena Pike, Diamond Art Club. It has their Facebook and what is that, Instagram. And then it has their guarantee. All right, so let's get back to what we were doing. All right, so as y'all know, the drill field is going to be awesome because, you know, it will be. All right. And it's looking pretty good. All right, let's look and see where these ABs go. So we're looking for 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. So right off, I'm seeing 4s in the eyes. Right there on his little cheek. Some more. Looks like the 4s are just kind of scattered through. And there's, no, is that a 4? No. All right. So we've got 4s over there, and then here's some 4s, and then there's going to be some 4s scattered around in here. There's some 4s. And then right there's some 3s. Because there's like a little rainbow right there. And then we have got some 4s and some 3s down here. There's some 4s scattered along through those. There's 2. They're just kind of going to be everywhere. And then you got some 3s scattered around in there. There's 3s in the stars. Let's see, where else? There's some 3s up in here. Okay, so now we need to look for 1s and 2s. All right, again, there's some 1s in his eye. And we have, what? I'm missing some 1s. Okay, there's some 1s right up in here. Y'all see any 2s? What color are the 2s? The 2s is that real pale yellow. There's some 2s. And there's some 2s down here. And then there's a bunch of 1s through here. So yeah, they're going to be just kind of scattered around everywhere. And if you had some ABs of your own, you could probably add some of those in the horn and everything else. Just make it even more sparkly. But I think he's going to look really good with the 4 that they've added. But yeah, very, very, very cute. Very cute. Has anybody done this one? I'm curious. And I'm curious if anybody got him since he went on sale. But I like Sheena Pike. This is my first Sheena Pike canvas. So I'm glad to say that I've actually got a Sheena Pike now. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will put the links to everything in my description box. A link to my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business. And like I said, I'm not sure if this is being discontinued or if they just had it on sale. Because y'all, I just don't even remember. So I've slept since I ordered it. So, all right, y'all. I guess until my next video, I will see everyone later. Bye.